The sky was dark, the winds ran wild. Every shadow felt untamed and wild. But slowly now the silence grows, as gentle light begins to show. The clouds pull back, the world can breathe. A tender calm rolls underneath. A quiet glow begins to rise, painting colors across the skies. A rainbow shines after the storm has passed, a gentle promise that the pain won't last. Soft as a whisper, bright as the dawn, hope returns and carries on. A rainbow shines where the tears once fell, bringing peace that words can't tell. The heart still shakes from what's been faced, but healing comes with gentle grace. Every color sings its tune, a bridge of light that lifts the gloom. Lessons linger like fading rain, but strength grows softly through the message calls. There is beauty after all. The rainbow shines after the storm has passed, a gentle promise that the pain won't last. Soft as a whisper, bright as the dawn, hope returns and carries on. A rainbow shines where the tears once fell, bringing peace that words can't tell. After the rise and